The foundation stone of Thapar University was laid by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first President of India in 1956. Lala Karamchand Thapar was founder of Thapar University. Thapar University was granted full autonomy and the status of deemed university in 1985. Thapar University has a terraced with excellence. We strive for excellence by ensuring a trinity of superlative students, faculties and infrastructures, cohabitive in a congenial and conducive environment. We aspire to carry out high-quality research in the frontier of technology as well as develop professionals with sound knowledge and skill. Our journey of 58 years through the horizon of technical education has culminated in an inclusive expansion into all areas of engineering, science and business management.
Since inception, the university has remained committed to creation, archiving and dissemination of knowledge in science, engineering and technology for the service to humanity. We have been given the highest ratings by the accrediting agencies like the National Board of Accreditation and University Grants Commission, NAC, and the surveys such as Outlook India, CSR, and India Today. However, success of more than 20,000 alumni of this university makes us feel more fulfilled.
Thapar University has different departments, schools and centers. The university offers academic program at the undergraduate level leading to BE, BTech degree, and at the postgraduate level leading to ME, MTech, MCA, MBA programs. University has MSc programs in different specializations and PG diploma in plant transgenic technologies. Thapar University also offers PhD program in various fields of specializations. Being a university, the major thrust is on research, which can be proven through the quality research publication in SCI journals with good impact factors. University has good numbers of international publications and journals of repute. University also has sponsored fundings from various national and international agencies. Thapar University has well-qualified, highly motivated and fully committed faculties in its all departments, schools and centers to impart quality education at UG and PG levels. Most of the faculty members are having PhD degrees. The library subscribes over 11,000 electronic and print journals, while back files of most of the journals are also available online. The library has 4 reading halls with a combined seating capacity of 350 seats. CILP arranges campus interviews for placements of final year students of all branches of BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, MBA, PhD. The university shares a special bond with the industry through its unique project semester program. As a result, the industry have happily rewarded our students by offering higher compensation and hiring them in large numbers. Thapar University has signed MOU with various organizations, foreign universities and top IT companies. The university has 9 hostels, 6 for boys and 3 for girls. The hostels are provided with all basic facilities, including water coolers with water purifier, washing machine, common gym, etc. Adequate dining facilities are available for all hostelers. Science and Technology Entrepreneurs Park. STEP has taken the lead in nurturing innovations and converting them into commercial ventures. STEP activities are intended to stimulate technological innovation, utilization of research results, transfer of knowledge, and setting up of technology-driven business so that fruits of knowledge reaches the society in the shortest possible time. Center of Relevance and Excellence. The Center of Relevance and Excellence in Agro and Industrial Biotechnology at Thapa University was established as a national-level center during the first phase of the Mission Reach 2020 program, envisioned by the former President and distinguished scientist Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. LM Thapar School of Management is named after former President of Thapar University, Lalit Mohan Thapar. LM Thapar School of Management is different kind of business school. Our reason for existence is distinctly different from most other 3,000 plus business school in India and another 9,000 in the rest of the world. This school passionately developing entrepreneurial mindset in students, instilling ethical decision-making grounded in Indian ethos. LMTSM is actively involved in collaborative programs and has signed several MOUs with following international universities of repute: University of Texas at Dallas, USA, University of Twente, the Netherlands, Free University Amsterdam, University of Waterloo, Canada.
To foster all-around development of students, we have a large number of cultural, sports, social, and scientific activities. We regularly invite the leaders and motivators of all walks of life and encourage our students to share time and space with them.
Undoubtedly among India's oldest private universities, unquestionably the best located, it can also be unhesitatingly asserted that this institution holds an unparalleled status in its class for quality and professionalism.